Hi guys, TreasureTuber is here again and I put together a new video.
This is make money from watching YouTube videos video right here, which is all about Roblox gameplays. So I've just gave you a bonus tip. I want you to focus on this category of video, Roblox, which is one of the most popular and most played games of all time. So now let's go ahead and go over to YouTube. And I'm going to show you exactly what to search for here on YouTube. So what we're going to do is click on this video. It's going to take us right over here, and then we're going to click share. After that we're going to grab that link, because that's how you're going to earn the money. And now we will proceed to the Goldmine, which is our money making software. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. After registering, just log into your brand new account, and then it's going to bring you to your dashboard, right here. They want the latest and greatest video. They want the most viral videos to view, and we're going to show them those Roblox videos. Alright, so the first group is this one right here. They have the most views, so you can get the most amount of money. So I'm going to show you those sites right now. Let's go ahead and go over to the site right here, which is called roblox.fandom.com. This site is called robloxforum.com. And they're getting tons of views, as you can see here with this tool. You don't have to put in a lot of effort in doing this strategy, because these particular gaming videos are picking up a lot of trends. To discover how to get paid free PayPal money from watching videos, which is a new strategy to make $200 per day online. Yes, it's possible, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in that video right there. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification on, so you don't miss out on any of the new contents.